hey, let's create a post-purchase survey. So for the first step, go ahead and click New Survey. Then at the top here, you can either build your questions from scratch, so this is useful if you know what you want to ask in advance, or you can use one of our templates. The templates, there's no commitment. You can always change the questions and you can change the answer options. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to use our simple post-purchase survey template, which is a mix of an attribution question, so how'd you hear about us, as well as segmentation question, so who you're purchasing for, and then an open-ended question to capture sort of any loose ends, so you can learn a little bit more about who your customer is and why they purchased your products. And then the next step here is how do you want to deliver your survey, right? So the first question is what do you want to ask, and the second is how do you want to deliver it. In this case, you're going to select post-purchase. It's been pre-selected. Notice you can select all customers, new customers, or returning customers. You also have some advanced targeting rules as well, which I can go into. This is useful if you want to target, customers who have bought a lot of products, or had a high order total, or something like that. So then you can go ahead and name your survey. I'm going to call it BPS survey, but call it whatever you like. Click create. By default, the survey is hidden, so no one's going to see it. The idea here is that you want to go ahead and make sure your survey looks good before you want to display it to customers. So we can have a look here. You can see attribution question, segmentation question, and then the open-ended question, as well as a nice thank you message at the end. And so when it looks good, all you have to do is go ahead and turn it on, and then the survey will appear. If you're using checkout extensions, there is one last step. So what you have to do is if you've installed Zigpoll on the Shopify App Store, head over to Shopify, go ahead and click Settings, Checkout, Customize, and then you just have to add the Zigpoll app block to your thank you and order status page. So you're going to go over here, you're going to click Add Block, add the Zigpoll app block, click Save, and then repeat the same thing on the order status page. Just go to Order Status, Add Block down here, add the post-purchase block, and then click Save.